Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony and today I'm in LA. How exciting! Oh god. So, oh my god, I'm looking out the window at the moment and there's palm trees. I mean, it's not a great view to be able to have a look. So if you watched last week's episode, I travelled to LA to do some work for my company. So I'm out here, I'm doing some shopping and I'm kind of looking for the new styles, the new trends. I'm looking for new shapes, I'm looking for new fabrics, anything like that I'm on this trip for. So it's quite a big thing because I'm looking for the whole of menswear and kind of the whole of the company in a more holistic view as well. Today we're gonna go to a few different places in LA. We're gonna go to Abbot, Kinney, we're gonna go to Venice, we're gonna go to Santa Monica, and then I think we're gonna go to a few department stores as well. But before that, I need to finish getting ready. And if you are new here, hello, my name's Anthony. I'm a fashion designer with over 10 years experience working in both fast fashion, high-end, and even some branded work as well. And this channel is dedicated to helping you becoming the best designer possible and giving you some sneak peek behind the scenes kind of viewpoints of what designers do on a daily basis, which is what one of these videos is. As a designer, we do get to travel the world and find inspiration in different places, and this time it's LA. Next time it could be London or Paris, or it could be Tokyo or Korea. You just don't know. So, without any further ado, let's get started, let's get ready. So hairdryer is plugged in and like literally, it's like barely a breeze, so whereas the hotel one is great, but it's not going to be good for my hair. So what I might do is dry the bulk of it with that one, and then just make sure the sides and everything look great with my little one. Oh, I made myself a coffee as well. That can't be right. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, well at least my hair is somewhat dry now. I'm just going to put some face moisturiser on. You know, I'm actually really excited for today. It's been over, I don't know, 3 years since I've travelled for work, which is so long really. Obviously we've had the pandemic and everything. It's a big part of my job as a designer to travel the world and to kind of see what everyone else is doing, making sure that my designs are in line with the market and all of that sort of stuff, making sure I'm choosing the correct fabrics and everything. And obviously during the pandemic that was really difficult to do. And if you're new to design as well, like, you don't generally get to go on trips like this. You'd probably go on smaller trips to sort of hone your skills, especially if you're like new to design. And then as you get better at doing your trend reports and as you get more capable doing all of that stuff, you'll be sent on longer haul trips. I think what's nice is throughout my career, I've actually been to quite a few different places. Do a bit of eye bag cream. Do you know it was my birthday the other day? Yeah, I turned 34. Can you imagine? So that's why I'm using the eye bag cream. Let's hope it works. I don't want to get old gracefully. But yeah, so places where I've been, you know, I've been all over the world really. I've been places like, obviously LA, I've been a couple of times. I've been Korea, I've been Tokyo, I've been Hong Kong, I've been like different parts of China and Shanghai. I've also been to like Italy, Paris, I've been Barcelona, Berlin. Within fashion, you will get to go to all these different places and you'll get to have a great time. And you know, these trips can be really, really fun if you let yourself have some fun of them. And usually it all depends on who you're with. Like I'm with a really good group of people, so you know, it should be really fun. We're all meeting downstairs at 8 AM for breakfast and then we're gonna head out. Okay, so I'm about to head out the door, but I thought I'd give you a little outfit check, even though I'm not here to do any cool fits or anything like that. I'm here literally just to shop and get my job done. But stripy, feeder stripe t-shirt, some baggy cargos, and then some Nikes. You know, I'm not dressing special or anything, but I think this is fine. I might need to take a jumper. So I might take this with me, just as a little throw on, and then I'm gonna take this bag as well, just to fit my stuff in. And as a little note, when I go shopping, usually I take some bits of paper with me, and it's got some bits like for the colour palette. I can't show you the colour palette unfortunately, but I don't know whether, yeah, and then I've also bought some colours from kind of, oh, I don't know whether you can see them, but these are like trend prediction colours from different fashion prediction books, so I brought all of them out with me along with my colour palette so I can get the correct colours. You know, if I find some nice t-shirts or anything like that that I can buy that kind of represent the styling and things that I want to go for, then I can do that. So yeah, ready to go, so let's go. Fuck's sake, this hallway really does scare the crap out of me. It's just so long and ominous. Ooh. Hi!
You go for a stroll?
Yeah,
Go for a stroll.
Hey everyone, so this is Amy, she's the boys' wear designer. And me, what do you do?
I'm a print designer.
Print designer.
Print designer.
And then Jason.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so quick stop in Starbucks and now we're going to head over to Santa Monica and start the whole shopping trip off. Dropped my glasses, fuck's sake. Well, at least we're finally here. These stairs feel a bit rickety though. Guess we'll just go out that little ramp thing.
Daylight.
Yeah, follow the daylight. Nice day though, I mean look at that sun. Well, not sun, but blue skies, palm trees. So happy, I can't believe we're finally here. Oh, when the sun's actually on you though, it feels really nice.
It's like a serotonin boost.
Yeah, definitely. Especially like being in Britain, there hasn't been sun for how many
I've not
years
had,
now?
a broad sun for 2 years.
Oh god, yeah.
Gorgeous.
So the first port of call is like Nordstrom, right? That's where we're heading now.
Well, yeah, it's essentially doesn't have to go to Georgia. I don't know what time it is.
It's only 9:30.
Yeah, it might not be open yet.
Oh, okay. Well, we can always go and grab a coffee or something. Or a tea, caffeinate. So pretty much nowhere opens until 11, so we're kind of just hanging around now waiting for everything to open. There's a couple of places, like some athletic shops and stuff, but on the most part this street is 11. Holistic kind of approach to fashion. So we're not only just like my department's menswear, but we're not just looking at menswear, we're looking at everything, which includes women's wear, menswear, kids, you know, active and all of that sort of stuff, and then just kind of seeing what the trends are, what are the colours, the common themes, all of that sort of stuff as we walk around. Right, okay, so quick sense check then before I start buying. I think this is a bit like our Uniqlo in terms of the way that it... Yeah. You know, like these
lovely.
kind of minkies.
Love that.
Yeah, gorgeous, isn't it?
It's a little restaurant.
Yeah, it's just over there. And then, don't you love that print as well? Just like,
Yeah, I really like it.
but then like, you know, you can do a similar print across the both of
Yeah.
them. I just wish that was like, that brown. That's my only issue, but I still think it's fine, don't you?
Yeah, no, it's lovely.
That was good, like just got loads of stuff for one of the trends, like all in one go. Stunning. We kind of need like a darker brown though, to kind of complete the look, but I could probably find that later. I mean, I do have a darker brown, but we'll see.
They see me rolling.
They hating. Oh no, copyright. Do you want to? Look how excited she is. But it's so novel for like us to go like Cheesecake Factory, but I bet you it's just like an average. Yeah. Are you gonna have a cheesecake?
Maybe.
You should. Yeah.
Flavour.
There's loads of them. You can see them all over here. I'm actually really excited. I've never sat outside in this one before, but it looks nice. Looks really nice. Yay! I'm starving.
So hungry.
But these menus are massive as well. They're a bit overwhelming. So, come in Nordstrom, and really not the vibe. I have bought a couple of things, mainly for fabric and trims and stuff, but yeah, not really great for the kind of trends and stuff. But I guess Nordstrom isn't trend driven. I reckon because it's a department store, it's kind of almost like a diluted version of what the actual trends are in store. We're probably best off going to the actual store rather than departments, but yeah, a couple of things bought. So where, are we going to Abbot Kinney now then?
Unless it's only on the way back to the car, and if there's anything driving past,
Yeah?
I think just go down there now.
Yeah, okay, that sounds good. Abbot Kinney. I can't believe it how long it's been since I've seen a beach. Like, we've come here for like literally 2 minutes to have a loop around, and yeah, it's been so long since I've seen like the beach. I'm really excited. I feel a bit emotional. model. Okay, so we've just finished at Abbot Kinney now. It's like 6:30, and most of the shops are closing, so I think we're done here. I think we're going to try and do one more department store before we actually finish for the day. But Abbot Kinney wasn't that great compared to like other places that we went earlier. I mean, the shops were nice and everything and aesthetic, but it wasn't really what we were looking for. They didn't really feel like on trend, so yeah, one more stop for the rest of the day and then we're done and we can go get dinner. Okay, so it's our last stop of the day and we're at the Grove shopping centre, which is really nice because it's like a massive high street almost of different shops and everything. So nice. And obviously it's evening now, so amazing sunsets and whatnot. Oh, look, another cheesecake factory. So if you wanted your cheesecake now, we can go and get it. We can get our 2,000 calorie cheesecake and just have a little bit.
I think we've deserved it.
I think we have. Like, how many? Well, you've done 18,000 steps today. Bloody hell. I'm still on my 17. So the whole area is only open till 9 o'clock. So we've only got like an hour and a bit to shop here. So it's going to have to be a bit of a, yeah, it's massive. Maybe we should come back.
Yeah, we might need to.
Might have to.
On Sunday.
Yeah.
Because we're at Melrose.
Because we're not far away, so we can just do it on Sunday. So we're kind of done shopping for today. We've kind of been around this area for about an hour and a half and didn't really find anything. It felt like a bit more of a hodgepodge of like, obviously different shops and everything, but not much in terms of an aesthetic that runs through. I think what we're gonna do now is just finish up and then probably just grab some dinner and then head back to the hotel. So as soon as I'm back at the hotel, I can take you through some key takeaways and what kind of we've seen about, and maybe even some sneaky looks at the kind of colours and stuff that we're looking at. Oh my god, I am shattered. It has been such a long day. It is now 10:30 and I've been out from 8 till 10:30 just shopping and getting some stuff done. First of all, there was a lot of coral everywhere. We saw loads of shades of coral and, you know, different tones and textures of it, and it was like incorporated in prints and stripes and everything like that. So really key colour, along with like aquas, mints, and also kind of like more, well, I suppose aquas are bluey green, but yeah, more bluey green colours. Overall, as well, fabrics, especially on jersey, everything felt like it was either marled, slubbed or nepped, and then there was also a lot of laundered looks. So, you know, washed back, slightly like with a bit of an acid wash or something. It just felt very kind of worn and laundered. That's the only way I can describe it. But yeah, overall, really successful day. We're up again tomorrow. We're going to be doing that from, I think we're leaving at 9 tomorrow. And then what we're going to do is the art district, and then we're going to drive to Palm Spring and do that as well. So yeah, overall that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button. Alright, bye. Tra tra tra. Bye.